I'm a little burgers, you're right. Sorry, not been on for a few days. But I just thought I'd give you a little rundown of what's happened today. It's like, I just thought, do you know what? I've had this like 2 years on. I need to retrain. I need to be able to do something different. Yeah. Um, I've found what I want to do. And the reason why I want to do it is because I've experienced it and I know the benefits of it and I know how much of a difference it can make to anyone. And so when looking into the courses, right, there's no university or college courses, so you can't get like straight bursaries or anything like that. So it's now about trying to get grants, get whatever. I can't remember, my brain's gone today, it's just not working. But there's no system in place. I've been on the NCS National Careers Service asking for advice. I've got a meeting with them coming, so fingers crossed that might help. But all the courses I've seen are all short courses, so it's all funding, so it's all private funding. So I went to DWP, the Job Centre or Work Coach. And back in the day, they used to be able to do funding, but they'll only do short courses. Well, short courses don't get you accredited, and it's accreditation that you need to be a therapist in this thing I was looking at. So I can't get funding through the DWP. So basically, it leaves you lumbered on any benefits or whatever. So your independence is taken away because you can't earn the money to be able to pay for the course, but there's no system in place to be able to fund the course that you could end up paying back anyway. You just don't want to be doing it at a high value loan or whatever. It's like, if they put something in place, it'd be easy. What experiences have you had trying to retrain, being a disabled person? Has it been easy? Has it been difficult? Have you found that you're having to jump through so many hoops? It's like they say, get grants, do this, get this, go to these. So it's all about go to each individual trainer, every individual trainer, right, and see if they do any funding, or go to this group, or go to that group, or go here, or go there, or go there, or go there. How difficult is that? It just surprises me how difficult it is to get people who want to work off the benefit system and into work, right? But there's no system to get you there. I've said this before, but it just, the more and more you deal with the system, the more and more difficult and awkward the system is. And it gets frustrating, especially when, like, after having a brain injury where you literally have had half your brain die, and you get frustrated, you get irate, you have to suffer this and you have to keep going through and you keep plodding, and it's difficult. It's difficult to try and stay sane and stay spot on. But that's by the by. All right. I'm going to keep going after my appointment. I'm going to see what they offer, what they can do, if they can help. I've emailed certain people to see if they can help. But we keep going. And fingers crossed that I can get some training to do what I want to do, because I think it'd be so beneficial, not only for stroke sufferers, but other people as well. I've experienced it myself. I've used this service before, and fantastic. It worked for me. Absolutely saved me thousands in the long run. If only I'd put that money away to pay to do it, but I didn't. But it all helps, like in therapy, in counselling, and all sorts. So it's different environments you can use it for. But I'll talk more about it if I actually get any closer to it. But at the moment, I'm just talking about the frustration of trying to get support to get you retrained to do something, benefit you and other people and the system by getting off the system so you can fund your own wage. But we'll see. Right, guys, my little burgers, have fun. Remember, most importantly, be kind, be open, be friendly, be safe, and be fast. Balance, eyes, face, arms, speech, and time, my little burgers. All right, love you all. You take care. All right, enjoy the sunshine. It's glorious here today, so I'm enjoying it. So have fun. Take care. Love you all. Oosh.